guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kylie, and today I'm showing you another hike you can do here in Washington State, located in Eatonville. Today we're hiking Little Mashel Falls. So this is one of 4 entries to this hike. Let's go. So the trail goes along the Mashel River, and there are points where you can access the river and dip your toes in or go for a little splish splash, river activities. Ooh, slither. Whoa. In the beginning of the video, I said there's 4 different entries. There's the one I went through, the little park, and then there's Bud Blanchard Trailhead, and then there's a forest road you can take, and then there's one up the hill from the Bud Blanchard Trail that takes you to another little hidden waterfall spot. You might have to research this a little. It's hard to convey to you where exactly those points are, but you can look them up on the interwebs. This trail does get pretty crowded in the warmer season. You do cross the river too. The trail is also dog friendly. Today I have Jill Deftis again, my little hiking buddy. And here's the start. The lower falls.
Beautiful though, right?
So this trail does get muddy and slick in some areas. There's also lots of steep uphills and downhills on this trail too. So just watch your step and be cautious. Middle Fall. Want to see something neat? Follow me. We're behind the waterfall now. Isn't that awesome? This trail is also great for trail running. Upper Falls. So a lot of people think this is the last waterfall spot, but I'm going to show you the bonus waterfall. The path does get super muddy on this part, but it's well worth it. Little path up past the top of that waterfall, and you'll come to these railroad tracks, and you take a left. So you go under the bridge and cut to the left to find it. So we've made it to the end of this trail, Little Mashel Falls. I love this hike, it's beautiful, it's scenic. The drive out, I didn't mention, the drive out is beautiful too. You get a really beautiful view of Mount Rainier. If you like this video, hit the like button. But don't forget to subscribe, hit that button too. Comment down below. Share it with others. Thank you.